Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Maker 2 with 2 players. To start a local co-op game, first navigate to the course world or your downloaded courses. Select any course you wish to play, then choose the Play Together option. You will need 1 controller per player, so for 2 players, ensure 2 controllers are connected. Up to 4 friends can join in on the fun, sharing the screen and working together to clear challenging levels right from your couch. For those looking to play with friends across distances, online co-op is available through Network Play in the course world. Remember, a Nintendo Switch Online membership is essential for this feature. Once inside, you can choose co-op play to team up with others, or versus battle for competitive fun. If you want to play with specific friends, select Play with Friends and invite them to your private room for a shared adventure. When playing co-op, teamwork is absolutely key. All players share a single life count, meaning every mistake affects the whole group. If a player gets left behind or falls into a pit, they will reappear in a bubble which another player can pop to release them. You can choose from 4 different characters: Mario, Luigi, Toad, or Toadette. Collaborate to solve puzzles, activate mechanisms, and navigate tricky sections, making the most of your combined efforts. Super Mario Maker 2 also allows 2 players to build courses together in the Course Maker. This unique feature lets each person control their own cursor on the screen, enabling simultaneous placement of blocks, enemies, and power-ups. It is a fantastic way to combine creative ideas and construct intricate levels much faster than building alone. Experiment with different elements and enjoy the collaborative process of designing your dream Mario courses with a friend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.